Hey guys, it's Crystal Renee here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few plants that I picked up. And I know that you all missed me on my channel, but fret not, I am back. And I also would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. And thank you for being here to support me. I've been seeing all the comments and the love, and I want to say thank you. I've been quite busy due to the fact my daughter just celebrated her 5th birthday, which you guys will be seeing a video shortly about that. But this video is strictly about plants. So if you're here for the plants, stay tuned. The first plant that I would like to share with you all today is this lovely African violet. I picked up this plant at my local Fry's, I want to say. My local Fry's in my area. It had purple flowers to begin with, but they all died off, and it seems to be doing great in my care. I haven't really done much with it. I typically bottom water this plant, and I haven't yet changed it out of its nursery pot. It's still in the pot that I received it in. And it has gotten a little bigger since I purchased it. I'm not sure if I have any pictures, but if I do, I will post them now. So yeah. And also I went to my local Fry's another time. I went, this wasn't in the same trip, but I did pick up another African violet. I only picked it up because it was on sale for 99 cents, and it was a different color than the one I had. This one had white flowers on it, which also pretty much died off, and it looked like it's doing well. Also, it's grown since I've purchased it. It was a lot smaller than this. I've noticed the growth. They grow pretty fast, if I could say so myself. So this is my first time dealing with them. I'm not a pro when it comes to the African violets, but I have done a little research, which I will share with you in another video. But yes, these two are part of my plant haul. The next plant that I would like to share with you has been on my wish list, and I finally got it. I know that I haven't did a wish list video yet, but I will be bringing that one to you guys all shortly. But satin pothos. I think I'm only missing a few pothos from my collection now. Although some don't consider this a pothos, but who am I to judge? But I will call it a satin pothos, and I am so happy with it. And it's grown a few new leaves since I've picked her up. Okay, sounds like someone's driving through the rocks. Let's try that again. Since I've picked her up, she looked like she's grown a few new leaves, and she has a new baby leaf coming here, as you can see. This right here is a new leaf, and I'm not sure, I doubt if I can get that on camera, but there is a little baby leaf coming from that one there, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. So yes, I'm pretty happy to have purchased this cute little guy here. This next plant is my heartleaf philodendron. Philodendron Scandian is what it reads. This is my Philodendron Scandian. It was a lot smaller than this when I first picked her up. But as you can see, she's been growing like crazy. She has a new leaf coming there. She is also starting to trail over here. And if I move this here, she has a lot of new growth down in there. And she's also trailing over here. So I'm excited to see how fast this baby grows, because woo, she's growing pretty fast. So yeah. The next plant that I'm going to share with you all is my green variegated Maranta. Yes, she is variegated. I actually passed up on this plant when I first seen it, and I have no clue why I did not have it in my collection. I don't even have any Marantas in my collection other than my Calathea medallion that sits over here. That's why I'm pointing over here. But when I first seen it, I was like, nah. But then I watched Pammy's Planting Things, and she talked about how this plant, she came across this plant and she jumped on it and she was gonna get the last two, and I was like, that might possibly be a rare plant. So I headed right back to my local Lowe's and I picked this baby up. It was a few others there. I should have got them, but I just picked up the one, and I tell you, this thing has been loving my home and seems to be growing. It looks a little bit fuller since when I first purchased her, but she does have a few new shoots coming out. I don't know if you can see this one there. And I don't really see any more. But yeah, she has a new leaf. Oh, she does. A huge one right there in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that. And a couple look like they're trying to come off. It's kind of far back, so I'm not sure how good you guys can see that, but yes. I like this plant. I really like it. And I like how at night the leaves point up as if it's praying. So that's where they get their nickname, prayer plant. Because during the day their leaves open up, and at night they point up as if they're in the prayer position. So yeah. The last plant, but not least of course, that I did pick up is my variegated Hoya. I believe this is called a Hoya Crimson Queen. It goes by many names, but I believe that's the variegation that I have. If I am wrong, let me know in the comments below. And if I'm right, also let me know. But oh my gosh. Now when I say that this plant has plenty of completely white leaves on it, I mean, look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, so far I see 8 completely white leaves on this Hoya. It is beautiful. Can you guys see that? It has one long trailing stem here. This is trailing over here. It's trailing in a lot of areas. It's 3 different trailing vines here. And it's got one that's reaching for the top, it looks like. And it's just nice and full. All these plants that you guys see here are fairly new to me, so please, if you have any care tips to give me, share them in the comments below. I'm no expert. I'm just here to share with you all what I do in my home and what helps me out, and I'm open to advice from you all who may know a little thing about plants that I may not happen to know. So please share. But yes, try to give you guys some close-ups. So that is my plant haul, guys. Thank you for joining me in this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear feedback from you all, so just list it in the comments below, and until next time, happy growing. Bye. Hey, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a post. And until next time, peace.